Thank you.
So how are you?
I am fine. How are you?
I'm also great.
By the way, where is your daughter, Mrs. Sharma?
She is in the room. Wait a minute. I'll call her. Shalini beta, please come. Offer some snacks and tea.
Take it, auntie. Thank you, beta. Beta, why are you sitting here? Go outside and talk to each other. Go, beta, take her.
Yes, go with him.
Okay, mom. By the way, Mrs. Sharma, why don't we talk about dowry?
Yes, sure.
So, as you already know that we have already talked about 10 lakh cash and
Jewelry.
jewelry, yes.
Yes.
Am I right?
Yes.
So, I was thinking that why don't you give a car to your daughter?
What? Car?
Yes.
But we didn't talk about this.
What is this, Mrs. Sharma? There is nothing to talk. Nowadays, everyone gives a car to their daughter.
But everyone's budget is good and I am not able to give a car.
Look, Mr. Sharma, nowadays it is very difficult to find a groom who has government job. Now you are smart enough to understand what I am trying to say.
Okay, I will try to manage.
Okay, that's great. Now I think I should leave now.
Okay, namaste.
Namaste.
The next day,
Oh, Mrs. Sharma, please come.
Thank you.
Please have a seat.
Thank you. Namaste, Mrs. Sharma.
Namaste, namaste. So, what made you to come here again?
What is this, Mrs. Sharma? I told you about diamond ring, but why did you give gold ring for the engagement ceremony?
I am very sorry for that, but I was not able to give a diamond ring because it is too expensive and your guest list increased suddenly, so I have to manage those things as well.
Mrs. Sharma, I did not say anything on that day because there were so many guests, but they are gossiping off about our status.
I am very sorry for that, but what can I do now?
I will have to say something to the relatives now. Oh God, Mrs. Sharma.
But I didn't understand what are you trying to say.
Now you have to do one thing, that you have to give a gold chain to the groom.
A gold chain?
Yes.
No, it is still very expensive.
But Mrs. Sharma, you will have to do, because if you give a gold chain to the groom, at that time everyone's mouth will be shut.
But I am not able to give a gold chain. You know about me. Please try to understand.
Mrs. Sharma, do you want marriage or not?
Of course I want. Why are you saying like this? You know I have only one daughter.
So for whom are you saving money? Do what you can do. Otherwise, I have other option also.
No, please don't say like this. I will try to arrange.
Okay, so that will be good. So I think I should leave now.
Yes.
Have some. Oh, thank you, beta. Thank you.
Please take tea.
Thank you.
the next day.
Mom, I want to ask one thing.
Ask.
Our car is parked downstairs. Where is it now?
Actually, I sold it.
But why, Mom?
Because I have to purchase a car and a gold chain for son-in-law.
So you are giving a dowry for the marriage?
No, it is not dowry. Every parent gives for her daughter's happiness.
No, I don't want this kind of happiness. You understand? And why did you hide this for me?
Beta, there is no need to take worry. Please go into your room.
Okay, Mom.
The next day.
Oh, Mrs. Verma, please come.
Thank you.
Have a seat.
Thank you.
So, what would you like to take?
Nothing. I don't want to take anything now. But sorry to disturb you, Mrs. Sharma.
No, there is no need to say sorry. It is your house. You can come whenever you want to come.
Thank you so much. So it was urgent work, that's why I have come here.
Okay, tell me.
So actually I realized that my son was living in government quarter.
Yes.
But he was alone. And now your daughter will not be able to manage there. So I was thinking that why don't you give up?
And I had done a lot out of my capacity. So, you try to understand, please.
No, Mrs. Sharma, you are taking me wrong. I am not saying like this.
Then, what are you trying to say?
I was saying that you should give only a piece of land, not a house. We will get it ready. Don't worry about that.
It is very expensive.
No, Mrs. Sharma. Don't worry. We will get it ready.
I will not manage. Please, now it is enough. And you are telling me before just one day of marriage?
You can understand what I am trying to say, Mrs.
No,
Sharma.
no. I I cannot manage.
Don't worry, auntie will manage everything.
Okay, so that's great. It will be good. So I think I should leave now. Namaste.
2 hours later.
What did you do, beta? From where are you get money for a piece of land? You don't have sense.
You know, Mom, I got a letter.
What type of letter?
I had taken exam files.
So what?
I got second interview and they are calling me for training. My dreams comes true.
That's great. Congratulations.
Thank you, Mom. But why are you sad now?
Because of you, because of your mistake. Why did you say yes to them?
Don't worry, Mom. I will manage everything.
Let's see how will you manage.
Namaste, auntie.
Namaste, beta.
How are you, auntie?
I am fine, beta. How are you?
I am fine, auntie. Can you come out home?
Yes, beta. Okay, I'm coming.
1 hour later.
Shalini, please open the door.
Namaste, auntie.
Namaste, beta.
Oh, Mrs. Verma. Namaste.
Namaste, Mrs.
Please sit.
Sharma. Thank you. What happened, beta? Why did you call me now?
I just called you show the land of peace.
Oh, that's great. Show me.
Come with me, auntie.
Okay.
A few minutes later.
Here it is.
What is this, Mrs. Sharma? There is nothing.
What are you doing, beta?
You thought that auntie will give a dowry.
What is she saying, Mrs. Sharma?
Do you know, auntie, it is a crime to take a dowry. If a mother is giving their daughter to you, that is the biggest thing for them. What else do you want?
Now she is insulting me, Mrs. Sharma, and you are not saying anything to her. Now I am going from here. I will never forget this insult of mine.
Yes, and the police will not let you forget.
What? Police?
Yes.
No, I'm sorry.
No, sorry, give our money back.
From where will I give you money? I don't have money. No, I will give your whole money, but please don't call the police.
That's great. You are very smart.
We should learn one thing from this play.
Don't give
Dowry, don't take
Dowry. Like,
share
subscribe.